Hi guys, been toying around with a bit of 3D printing again. My Vauxhall Mocker has a pair of roof rails on it for fitting a roof rack or whatever you want to clamp on the roof. It has that profile, the hole in there, because I've been 3D printing trying to find if I can get a shape that will fit onto it neatly. That was another one. That fits. I can actually squeeze it over using the flexibility of the PLA, so it will actually stay on there. But I'm not confident it will actually stay on there if I fit a camera on top. So I split it, cut it down the middle. Well, in the design I cut it down the middle, I didn't take a saw to it. And then I've put a bolt through it that I can do up to clamp it in place. This is just the bracket I made up to fit my action cameras. So I've got that on file, and I combined that file with that file, as you can see. So that half of it holds the bracket in place, and that half of it clamps it onto the roof rail, and then that will fit in there. That's actually the one that's faulty. And sometimes it works. It's completely unreliable. It used to work intermittently, and then it stopped working. I'm just putting some charge into it to see whether it'll actually fire up, and I don't think it will. But I've got another 4 or 5 of these action cameras. You've probably seen them in other videos. So I'm going to try it like that. But practically, if I'm going to do it, it would be more sense to put one of those little brackets on the bottom so I can use a waterproof housing for it. Because if it's sitting on top of the car and it's raining, then we want it in a waterproof housing. It's just something I've been toying with. Whether it'll be effective or not, I don't know. That big hole there is so that I can plug in the USB lead, get to the micro SD card, and what's that? Can't remember what that bit's for. So yeah, that's what I've been toying with. I might do a little video of it clamped on top and give it a little run tomorrow, because it's late at night now. And if it works, then I'll do another one of these with that sort of a clamp on it, so we can put the waterproof camera on. Right, we're stopped in a car park, so we're going to see if I can put this on there. I'll put my camera up on there so I can try and film it. Right, not entirely happy with the angle it's pointing. A little bit too much down. I want it up a little bit more. Because I could move it right back here where the curvature's less. It doesn't make any difference really. Still got a fair bit of the roof of the car. Yeah, I don't think it makes much difference sliding it backwards and forwards. So we'll just try it there. We'll go for a little drive. It's not my newest camera on there, so if it does fall off, it's not the greatest loss. On the other hand, I don't want to lose it. And we've got no noise protection on there. I might pinch the one off my hack camera because it should fit on there. A bit less wind noise. Right, that's my wind protector clip. It should just clip on there. Okay, well, let's see if that's any good. So what I'm saying is I want it up a little bit higher, or maybe tilted up a little bit. We'll see. Well, it's still there after our little drive out to Nailsea. So, we'll have a look what the footage looks like on it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.